Good afternoon, all of you. This is about e-Pothi, online cataloging of manuscripts of Odisha State Museum, Government of Odisha. I am Dr. R.N. Behera. I am Senior Technical Director of National Informatics Center, Bhubaneswar. So the concept of e-Pothi has come. Actually, there are lots of palm leaf and bamboo leaf manuscripts inside Odisha State Museum. Around 27,000 of different categories manuscripts are there. So, Government of Odisha thought that this manuscript can be preserved by scanning with the high-end scanner. All the manuscripts are preserved by high-end scanner, and it was preserved in a DVD form. So later on, we have decided how it can be catalogued and it can be put in the internet, so that citizens across the globe can hook onto this and get the manuscript according to the desired and proper content. The genesis of Odisha State Museum goes back to year 1932, when two notable historians, Professor N.C. Banerjee and Professor Ghanshyam Das of Revensa College, Cuttack, started. This is all about the history, how the Odisha State Museum have come up. A small museum was formed and housed in the college premises in 1938. Then it was transported to this present museum. So Government of Odisha appointed a committee how this can be a citizen-centric museum. So Odisha is a state of India, with its rich cultural heritage, monuments and rare palm leaf, bamboo leaf manuscripts. Odisha State Museum is unique monuments of its kind across the country, having rare manuscripts comprising of palm leaf, bamboo leaf and other forms of manuscripts. E-cataloging of Odisha State Museum is a genesis of intellectual requirements of various worldwide research scholars, i.e. Pali Text Society, University of Bristol, British Museum, Columbia University, Cambridge University, International Association of Sanskrit Studies, Oxford University, South Asia Institute, University of all these universities, they have approached how this manuscript, why these manuscripts are preserved inside the museum. This should be made public, and researchers across the globe, they can get into this manner. The objective is to facilitate researchers, students, scholars across the globe to get online access to the rare manuscripts, spread awareness among the people about the Indian culture and heritage. This model works like an online catalog, where the visitor can access the monuments like a catalog. The visitor will come onto the portal, and when the visitor click on the palm leaf manuscript link, the visitor can see each cataloging palm leaf set with the first page to read online. The first and last page is made available online. The inside pages is connected to the payment gateway. If he is excited that I want to go deep into this, then he can go for the payment gateway. So the visitor has facility to buy each catalog of palm leaf manuscript through credit or debit or net banking. This is the front page of the Odisha State Museum, where different things are there, including a virtual tour. One can have a virtual tour of the Odisha State Museum, and in addition, these are the palm leaf manuscripts which is available. We have made accessibility offer function also. This is screen reader, access is there. Then it is actually the website is accessible to persons with disability. So color blindness people, different color blindness people to satisfy, different font, old age person, and also for the screen reader software access is there for the visually challenged persons. So this page is publication, different books are published which is available. And this is different manuscripts, the categories, different categories are there, like Sanskrit Puran, Tantra, Veda, Ayurveda. These are there. Sanskrit Purana is there. By subject wise it can be sourced, author wise, category wise, and abstract wise it can be categorized, and different prices are there. It can add to the cart, and an online payment it can be done. If they want, they can click on in particular first page and last page, they can visualize, and others they can download and make payment and download. So this is shopping cart all there. This is actually what, if you click on this particular, this will, the enhanced version of this manuscript is like this. These are all palm leaf manuscripts. This is one catalog on Tantra area. Then this is on Ayurveda. There are various Ayurvedic manuscripts available in Odisha, reciting the ancient Ayurveda theory and thesis of India. The visitor can buy multiple palm leaves also, and SMS integration facility there. So this will, virtual walkthrough, as I told, 360-degree animation is given, so that one can enter into Odisha State Museum, can have a virtual walkthrough of this, can have a panoramic view of all the sections and departments of Odisha State Museum. This is like a, one section, it is there. So visitor testimonials also there. The handwritten testimonials, feedbacks are given by the honorable persons, guests to the visitor testimonial, which is put in this online. So this is all description about photo gallery. Different photo gallery are available in this here, and feedback management also there, and then inside site search facilities there. So this is all about Odisha State Museum and manuscripts of Odisha State Museum. The visitor can get latest updates of tourism events, calendars available. This is some inauguration functions. Our Honorable Chief Minister inauguration was done. So we have got several awards like Age Magazine Age Award, Scotch Digital Inclusion Award. So e-cataloging system Odisha State Museum is unique of innovation approach of its kind in India, which can facilitate citizens, government and scholars and researchers across the globe. Recently it was presented in SARC Conference of Museums at Colombo and at London also. It was highly appreciated. International Tourist Fest London. This can be rolled out in other museums of country and SARC countries. So my team, Mr. Ajit Patnaik is also there, my colleague, he has worked hard for this, and also other teams are working day and night for this. Thank you very much. And we have a small video, if you want I can show. Yeah? I will skip it, just.
Spreading over several centuries. Before the advent of paper in India, palm leaves were the main material on which writing was done. Particularly in coastal areas. Our ancestors, in order to prepare them to various forms, are formed when the users and the custodians become careless. Leaves also can get damaged by insects. Store the manuscript bundles neatly, if possible in closed racks, boxes, or cupboards. All the manuscripts in the collection of Odisha State Museum have been digitized. All precautionary measures are taken by the authorities at regular intervals to ensure proper conservation of these precious manuscripts. All the manuscripts in the collection of the Odisha State Museum have been digitized. And online, visitors have access to the system. Palm leaf manuscripts are particularly in rural areas. A representative of the culture.
So this is all about the video, and any question? Thank you very much. Yes, yeah, question. Okay.
As it is a government aided.
Okay.
It's a government.
Yeah.
Then why you are seeking rent for access?
Why you are seeking rate for
That's
access?
charging.
So actually, there is a debate whether we will make it free or price will be there. But government of Odisha has decided they will make minimum price so that the actually real genuine people, those who are interested, they can come. There is no price is not that much. Accordingly, the price is fixed very low.
I tried your site, but I love unrestricted open access.
It's but some small price is very minimal. Just
Whatever, but still, it's if you charge, then it's not open access.
that is the government has decided like this. Yes. Content searching no, because actually the manuscripts you have that is that may be available in the archive. We are doing in archive, not here.
Okay. Yeah. But language-wise category.
Language-wise category is there. Odia is there, Sanskrit is there, and different languages are there. But maximum Odia and Sanskrit because they are ancient monuments.
And microfilming for archival, are you using that?
Archive is different. This is museum. One more project is going on. That is state archives. That is microfilm. Other things we are doing. That is different project. This is not here.
Thank
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.